Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Gadget. Today I'm going to be talking about the CINPUSEN UG-01 wireless gaming headphones. Now I'm going to give you my honest opinion and review for this headphone set. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I jump in, if you end up liking my content, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it out. Now, if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about UG-01 wireless gaming headphones. All right. So cover some quick specs on this. It's a 2.4 gigahertz wireless gaming headset, which can be used for PC, PS5, PlayStation 4. It's a 2.4 gigahertz wireless gaming headset that can be used for PC, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, MacBook, and it also has a microphone. And you can also use it with cell phones. And I'll show you just how you can use it with your mobile device as we get into this unboxing and setup. But it claims 40 hours or up to 40 hours of playtime. And for the Xbox Series, it's wired only. So that's when you would use the 3.5 aux plug-in cable. All right. Now, it states that the earmuffs are extra soft. And it comes in different colors. As you can see, this one is black, but they have some with the red in the inside, and there are other colors available as well. They're stretchable, and you can also fold them. And there's also a noise canceling microphone. All right. So with that stated, I covered just about the quick stuff that I wanted to mention. All right. Again, these are Bluetooth headphones with the option to plug in with the aux cable. And it also states here that it has an ultra low latency. All right. So meaning it won't have the lag. At least that's what they're claiming, that you shouldn't experience lagging while using these headphones for gaming. All right, let's have a close look at the box. Again, it states here, low latency gaming. All right, got the model number there. Let's see what else we got here. Most of the stuff I already talked about. 360 surround sound. All right, you can see here, wireless gaming, TV, PC, Mac, and mobile. Ultra light, 3 connection modes. Okay. See the back. All right. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the box, so we can jump right into this. Different colors, as I mentioned earlier. So this states I have the black and red. I'm not seeing the red here. Maybe I'll see it when I open it, but there's all black, which I think I have. Black and red, white and pink, black and green, and black and blue. And the color on the inside is what makes the difference, at least from what I believe. All right. So with that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. So right inside here, you're presented with the aux cable and the type A to type C cable. And then you also have your dongle, which is type A. Okay. And it looks like this is the red one. The box threw me off. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can see here. And yes, I'm correct. Well, I was incorrect, but I'm correct regarding the inside part that tells you or lets you know what color you have, and probably inside the earmuffs. But as you can see here, this one is the red one. All right. You see the model there, company name there. You can bring the microphone out, bend it over. When you're done, place it right back inside. It's foldable, as mentioned earlier. You can adjust and stretch just like I did there. All right, so pretty nice. You have some buttons down here. You have the M for mute, power on button, type C charging port, your aux jack or plug-in, and then volume control. All right, have a closer look at dongle. Has a button on there. As you can see there, that's probably to activate it so you can pair it. Pull this off and then plug it in. Okay. So this will work with your PS5 and PC and systems like that. Then you have this here, which is your type C to type A. So this is for charging. All right. And then you have this, which is your aux cable. All right. Again, you will use this for the Xbox Series. Getting this connected. Let's go ahead and power this on. Press this down. Let's see what happens.
Power on. Dongle mode.
Okay, so it's on dongle mode. I want to connect it to my mobile phone. Got a manual here, which I'm not going to actually use. It's pretty straightforward on what I need to do, but you do see here that it does have different languages. I do want to point this out so you can see what each part is. If you wanted to know what the actual parts are. All right, so you can see that there. So with that stated, I'm going to go ahead and get this connected to my mobile device and jump right into testing and see how everything goes. Let's see, let's get this on. The way I'm going to connect this to my mobile device, right, with this dongle, is using this male type C to type A female adapter. All right, let's plug this in. It's ready to go. Then let's grab the phone, plug it into type C. You can see the blue light, and then you heard the announcement saying it's connected. All right, that's simple. So again, if you need to connect this to your mobile device and it has a type C connector, you can always do this instead of using the auxiliary cable. All right, pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out, see how everything works, and I'm going to let you know my thoughts. Be right back. So I have my test listen with these, and I'm going to be brutally honest with you all. This headset is pretty awesome. I mean, pretty awesome, especially for the price. They're extremely comfortable. The sound is fantastic. It does give you that 3D immersive sound. I'm not going to hold you back. The bass is nice, and they are very lightweight. I can wear these for hours. I can tell already. Again, the price is nice. The volume is nice, and the microphone is nice. I was heard on the other end, no problem. And I gotta tell you, this is definitely a winner. Now, the fact that these adjust and bend, because I do have a larger size head, it fits my head. Now I do have to tilt it just a little bit towards the front because my head is longer than your average head. But for the most part, again, very comfortable. I'm very happy with these, and I can definitely recommend these. All right. Now, if you're interested in this headset, of course, there'll be a link posted in the description section of my video. And this completes my unboxing and honest review. I'm telling you, go ahead and get it. But this is my honest review for the UG-01 wireless gaming headphones.